Am I a cock or am I a hen? I don't know. You're a cute little bird. Come on, Criss. No? You don't want to come?
Your destination is a half a mile away.
It's not a bright purple, but it definitely is like a lavender color. Just doesn't look it in the video. Is that what Angel? Angel's a girl, definitely. That's a brown seer. Right, Angel? Come on, Criss. Where are you? There you are. Meow! Meow!
You have reached your destination.
The Georgie definitely had a much more purpley sear, pinkish purple sear. So it's hard to tell. This could be a hen. But this one is a jabberbeak. No, this is not a girl. This could be a boy. Are you a boy or are you a girl? Hey, Criss? Meow. Come on. Step up, Criss Angel. Step up. The hell, I'll step up, lady. I don't want to go there. You're not my type. Oh, my God. Oy, they're all together now. This is blurry.